Hello YouTube. Just wanted to do a quick review of the Streamlight MicroStream USB. Got this light a few days ago. I really like it. There is one thing I don't like about it, but I haven't been able to find any information on it or any detailed reviews, so I just wanted to give you some information about it. It is 50 lumens on the low setting, 250 lumens on the high setting, 250 candela rating on the low setting, 1150 candela rating on the high setting. It runs for 3 hours on the low setting and 1.5 hours on the high setting. It is IPX4 water resistant and 1 meter impact resistant. If you look at the light here, you can see the little charge port for the rechargeable 350 milliamp lithium ion cell in the flashlight. It's a Streamlight brand battery. I would have liked to have seen a little bit larger battery than 350 milliamps, but that's kind of a standard size in the 10440 package size battery lithium ion cells. Up near your micro USB hole is the hole for the LED. It is red when charging, green when fully charged. To operate this flashlight, it is either temporary or momentary or constant on. For momentary, you lightly depress the switch on the back. For constant on, you actually click it and get the tactile feedback. Now, the one issue that I do have with this flashlight is how quickly you have to tap that tail switch in order to activate the high. Sometimes, especially if the flashlight hasn't been used, I have to very quickly tap the tail switch in order to get to high. Like you saw there, I did not transition from low to high. I feel that if at the speed in which I just tapped that button, it should have transitioned to high, but you have to tap it very quickly. Right there again, it did not transition to high. Now it transitioned to high. You have to tap it very quickly. Then you can push it in and click the button, tab it constant on. When it is on high, it is very bright for the size of the light. I love the light output for such a small package. It makes a great EDC light, but the inconsistencies in how in activating the high output is a little bit concerning. I don't think it's a light that you would want to use for any sort of self-defense, but for daily tasks it works great. If you want to compare this light to the regular Streamlight MicroStream, you can see here the size difference. Streamlight MicroStream USB is just a little bit bigger than the Streamlight MicroStream regular, probably to accommodate the charge port here on the front of the Streamlight MicroStream USB. Now, one thing I just did with this light is I put a 10440 lithium ion cell in here, which ups the voltage from the standard 1.5 volts of a regular AAA to, well, 4.2 when it's fully charged. And this is actually a 600 milliamp lithium ion cell. I got it on Amazon. I bought a 6-pack for, I believe it was $22. But after changing the battery in the Streamlight MicroStream Standard Edition, it's actually brighter than the MicroStream USB. So if you want a quick modification for your Streamlight MicroStream Standard Edition to make it as bright, if not brighter, than the MicroStream USB, purchase some of those lithium ion cells. Now, I can't say how long that's going to last for. I've only done it for 1 day, but it seems to work great. And if I compare the light output, the video is not going to do it justice, but the light from the MicroStream Standard Edition with the lithium ion cell is actually brighter than the MicroStream USB on high. Now, if you look at the color of the light too, the Streamlight Standard model with the lithium ion cell is actually a bluer, whiter light than the Streamlight MicroStream USB. You can see the MicroStream USB has a kind of greenish tinge to it. If you're not comparing them side to side and you're just using the MicroStream USB, you can't really notice it. It looks very white, and I do like this light a lot. And I would prefer this light because I like the option of being able to use low. There's not very many reasons why I need to use high. A lot of the times this is a light that I'm holding in my mouth while I'm trying to do something with my hands, and I don't need the light output of on the high setting. But if you want a cheap modification for getting, I would estimate probably close to 300 lumens out of your Streamlight MicroStream standard, buy a lithium ion cell for it. Tell you what I'll do, I'll just do a little comparison side to side with the MicroStream USB in its stock form. This is a brand new AAA battery here, brand new Duracell. So this light produces 45 lumens with the AAA battery and has a 2.25 hour runtime in comparison to the 50 lumen 3 hour runtime of the Streamlight MicroStream USB. So that is the regular Streamlight MicroStream. This is the Streamlight MicroStream USB. Streamlight MicroStream definitely has a brighter hotspot than the MicroStream USB, but it's not that noticeable once you are at a distance longer than a couple inches like I have here. But if you compare them side to side, the standard MicroStream with AAA battery to the MicroStream USB on high, it's no comparison. The Streamlight MicroStream USB on high blows away the standard MicroStream. However, when you replace the battery in this little one, it's actually brighter with a brighter hotspot than this one. I would have liked to have seen a brighter hotspot with this one. It does have quite a bit of spill, but I would have sacrificed some of that spill personally to have a little bit brighter hotspot. Overall, though, I really like this light on the low setting. It's very functional. 50 lumens works great for most daily use situations, and then when you want the extra light, it is there. It just can be a little wonky as far as activating it. Sometimes you have to tap it quicker than you would think. Sometimes you'll have to triple tap it. But again, this is a sample size of one. Maybe other people's lights aren't going to be like this. Maybe this is my own or my particular light that has this issue. It was probably one of the very first production runs. So I can't say that it's going to affect all of them. But that's my only qualms with the light. Other than that, it is a great little light, and this will definitely be the light that I'm carrying on an everyday basis from now on. It's definitely going to replace my little MicroStream. But I will have this light in my car. I'll probably have one in my backpack, all over the place. I love these little lights, and I'll be throwing some little lithium cells in them just so I can have some powerful flashlights that are nice and compact, just stored around the house. I mean, I think you could pick these up for 25 bucks. It's a great little light, but if I was to only have one, it would be the Streamlight MicroStream all day long. So hope this helps out some people that are looking at purchasing this flashlight. I couldn't find very much information about it, but it's a great little light. I like it a lot, and I highly recommend it.